Nakakataw kapulong kami kinong yalang jo ka NPP. Misyo jing yung nung yalang jo. Abang mo misyo jing pun lo kesulan dia ni.
UMDC kamaulai bak tebor pathau ha kesingi thoding lalit ban penyesok pura syaka National People's Party ha kejingelang kebahe bah kebelawan ban pediang burom de National President ke NPP badairu Menteri Rangba kejala Konrad ke Sangma nangta National Vice President badairu sembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston Tensong. Nalor ki MLA bat MDC jongkani ke parti ladon langru akani kesingi Working President ke NPP ke Meglaya ubak senyo bahalang dhar nalor kiwe-kiwe.
Friends, this is not just happening because Preston and I or Bas Nabalan is requesting them to join NPP. Many of the parties are requesting these leaders. But the reason why they are deciding to join the National People's Party is because they see something special in the National People's Party. They are seeing that yes, there is hope for the state and for the people in this party. Because this is a party that has faced many challenges in the last 4 years. We have not kept Preston or Baskabana or Congress interest in front. No. For us, it has always been the state's interest. It has always been the people's interest. We are here to serve you. We are here to work for the people in the state. And that guides us in the decisions we make.
Balai ni sudah tuh ba kolom yang ban lekyo banyak ban pakai warta ka kawin kada ka gamba kada san wato tengah orang tadi uneu reu don ka jadi ka bakam tempat balai ni kom kita ni reu anak ini ka security services vẫn công tâm đều nhiều điều bahkan mahadana mereka menjadi bersama gede bersama Bandung deh untuk beliau masih memiliki ikut sama di bawah dia berkata.
Jadi penlong yang Bandung syakani ke parti yang bah ngendon kecimpen krek nakam takani kesenam arjar arkola haki sausnam kijinga liti jonga habade bat kejingdon jonga bat kuwai pat ke parti habaya nujor ya kejingtre kam apa kejela kejongi nakam ta ban pet ban khmi ya kabha kamet jong kejela ngai i ba hak parti NPP ngi bakadon kejingkerman nak banta banyo ya kejela kebesuk kebesan kebat kebakiu hakil yang